If you are dealing with a check engine light that comes on and off, accompanied by shifting problems that seem to vanish and reappear, you might be facing code P0879. This code stands for Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor or Switch D Circuit Intermittent. It is a bit tricky because the intermittent part means the problem is not always there. This is frequently seen in Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and General Motors vehicles. The sensor monitors the pressure inside your transmission to help the computer control shifts. When the signal from the D circuit drops in and out or does not match the expected voltage, the computer sets this code. While this is typically an electrical issue, like a loose wire or bad connection, it can sometimes indicate an internal mechanical failure, such as a sticky valve or a fluid leak inside the transmission. Your first step should always be checking for technical service bulletins, as a software update might fix the glitch. If that is clear, find the sensor on the transmission valve body or case and inspect the connector closely. Since this is intermittent, wiggle the wires while looking for breaks or loose pins. Corrosion on the terminals is a major culprit here. If the connector looks fine, clear the code with a scan tool and see if it returns. If it does, you will need to grab your digital voltmeter. Test the power and ground circuits at the sensor connector with the key on and engine off to ensure you are getting a steady 12 or 5 volts. If the power is stable, use an ohmmeter to check the sensor's resistance. Wiggle the connector while testing to see if the resistance reading jumps around, which would confirm a bad sensor or connection. If the electrical tests pass, you might be looking at a mechanical issue inside the transmission or a failing sensor that needs replacement. Catching this early can save your transmission from further wear.